Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan oatmeal raisin cookies. First, gather all your plant-based ingredients. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper, ensuring it's ready for your delicious cookie dough. This preparation sets the stage for perfect baking. Next, in a large bowl, cream together your vegan butter and sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. In a separate bowl, whisk together all your dry ingredients. Slowly add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough. Now, gently fold in your rolled oats and plump, juicy raisins. Make sure these wonderful additions are evenly distributed throughout the cookie dough. Once everything is mixed, cover the dough and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This step helps the cookies hold their shape. Finally, scoop rounded tablespoons of dough onto your prepared baking sheet, leaving some space between each cookie. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade vegan treats.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.